Hello everybody, it's Sherry here with L'Amour Pours by Mime, and today I'm going to do another it turned out beautiful, can't wait for you guys to see it, pearl painting. This time though, I put all of my colors out for you to see in the order of which I'm going to put them in these two cups. And I did two identical cups so I could separate that cloud mix. And they are in this order. So we're going to start out here with Pearl. This is a good transition color, and it's by Deco Arts. And then this next one is a craft paint from Walmart. And it's called Mint Green. It's a metallic. I love it. And so I get it. And it's called Mode Llama, but I elevate it with golden high flow green. And it just brings up the pigments and makes it artist quality. This one here is Master's Touch. It's called Venetian Blue, and it's also a metallic. This next one is a go-to. It's Liquitex Basics Bright Aqua Green. Love that color. It's another of my favorites is Phthalo Blue by Golden. These are the fluids, but I also put some soft body golden in there as well. This next one is called Ice Blue. It's another one of those craft paints from Walmart. But again, I elevate it with Manganese Blue by Golden. Manganese. I gotta pronounce that correctly for you guys. The next is Prussian Blue, and this one is I use Liquitex Basics for the soft body, and then I use some Prussian Blue fluid by Golden, and there they are. Here they are. That golden fluid just puts a little more pigment in there. And here is the go-to 24 karat gold by Deco Arts. This orange is beautiful. Master's Touch has some beautiful metallics. Really love them. And here I have another one of my favorites is Teal by Golden. I also have some soft body by Golden that I put in with that paint just to make it all a little bit thicker. Now this one I really want to share with you all. This one is a new paint. It's an iridescent called Iridescent Sunflower. I mix it with some golden because it is, I don't know what kind of paint it is yet, but I like it. Now here's my cloud mix, and I want to show you how thin I make that cloud mix. Now I do put some golden fluids, titanium white in there, just a few drops, just to give it a little more body. So here is what I use to make it, 50% Deco Arts and 50% of titanium white, but you don't need to use that. You can use the Artist Loft White as well. They both work well. I can't tell you which one works better. I just will always go to the titanium when I'm going to do a big painting. So here I've changed it up, and I'm using, a long 12 by 30 inch canvas. I really ended up wanting to just try to split up that cloud mix in the middle. And I needed a longer canvas than the one I had earlier. Earlier I had a 30 by 36 in there. So as usual, I'm starting out with a ring pour. And with the colors that you just saw. And I'm going to end right there at the end with that cloud mix, right in the middle of the painting. Now I purposely put it up there so it would fall off the top, because I know that when I put the second cup on here, I'm gonna again have a lot of paint. And I found that it's better to have more paint than less paint. Pearls come up better, and your cloud mix comes up better as well. So here comes our second cup. It's the same. I stacked the paint the same in both cups. I just did less paint in the second cup. And I really need to clean my camera. It just looks a little foggy to me. It's too late now. Painting's already done, but I do need to clean my camera lens. because it just does look a little bit foggy, but look at those colors. They're so beautiful. You can see why I use that Venetian blue and that phthalo blue and that yellow, that iridescent sunflower yellow. I just went, oh, I love that. Now, as you can see, I've got pearls coming up on both ends of this canvas, and in the middle, I've got cloud mix, and I've got some negative space in between. So I loved it. I didn't want to play with it anymore. Enough paint was coming off. I could see these pearls coming up. I could see the cloud mix developing. Love this painting. So here's my cover. It's a netting that my husband made, and I'm going to let those pearls develop, and here it is at the very end. This is the next morning, and look how beautiful. I'm really happy with this painting. I so hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you at the next one. Thanks for watching.